In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Disney Dreamlight Valley multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though you will find multiplayer on the home screen of Disney Dreamlight Valley, you will actually have to unlock it. Multiplayer is going to be cross-platform, so you will be able to play with friends on different platforms. Now, for you to actually unlock multiplayer, first, complete the following steps. Increase Vanellope's friendship level to 4. So reach friendship level 4 with Vanellope. You will be able to do this inside of the game by interacting with her. Once this is done and you reach friendship level 4, you will be able to start the Valley Visit quest. So Vanellope will offer you a quest called Valley Visits after reaching friendship level 4. Once you complete this quest, you will receive the Valley Visit Station. You can place this station down anywhere in your valley, and by interacting with this, you will get instructions on how multiplayer works. So basically, by using this Valley Visit Station, you will be able to open your world and you will receive a unique code. You can share this code with your friends, and as long as your valley is currently open, with the code shared being correct, they will be able to input the code on the home screen of Disney Dreamlight Valley to join the world. If you don't want anyone else joining this world, you will have the option to close it, but as long as it's open and as long as you share the friendship code that is displayed to you when you interact with the Valley Visit Station, you will be able to play multiplayer. Of course, if you wanted to join a friend instead, they would have to place down the Valley Visit Station on their world, and after they get the unique code, they will be able to share it with you, and you would be able to input it into the multiplayer screen on the home screen of Disney Dreamlight Valley. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Disney Dreamlight Valley multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.